everybody, it's Regina. Welcome back to my channel, The Balanced Bite. I apologize for the late video. I have not been feeling good, and today I finally am feeling a little bit more normal, so I thought I would finish and get the video out to you guys. Today I've got a healthy and flavorful meal prep for the week ahead. This menu is varied, it's delicious, and it's high protein. We're starting off with a delicious mixed berry ricotta muffin and some Greek protein yogurt for some high protein. And then for lunch, I'm making a Mediterranean chicken bowl, which I'm super excited to share with you guys. I love the combination, and again, very high in protein. And then finally for dinner, we're gonna be making a honey garlic chicken fried rice, which is gonna become a staple in my upcoming menus. Total for the entire meal prep, including a protein shake, is 1,457 calories. There is 111 grams of protein, and there is 123 grams of carbs. And I think it's perfect. It's definitely satisfying, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, all the ingredients, the recipes, and the macros are in the description of this video. Let's go ahead and dive in to the meal prep. Let's make some delicious mixed berry ricotta muffins. Here's what you'll need. 1¼ ounces of flour, 3½ ounces of granulated sugar, 3 leveled teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 2 eggs, 9 ounces of ricotta cheese, 3½ ounces of olive oil, and 7 ounces of mixed berries. Let's get started. To start with, we're going to mix together the ricotta, followed by the 2 eggs, now let's add our olive oil, and then finally let's add our vanilla. We're going to take a whisk and mix everything until all the ingredients are well combined. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. We're going to put the flour in first, followed by the baking powder and the baking soda. Then we're going to add our salt, take a whisk, and stir to combine. Okay, so now we can pour our wet ingredients into the flour mixture. And sorry, you guys, I forgot to show you how you should really mix this together at this point. Then you're going to fold in your mixed berries. And I totally forgot to mention, you're going to want to toss the berries with a teaspoon or 2 of flour. This helps to keep them from turning the muffins blue. I forgot to do that, and mine did turn out blue, which you'll see, unfortunately, in this last step of this video. But you do want to do that because it will make your muffins, I ended up having to remake them, and by doing that step, they won't turn blue. Okay, so now you can go ahead and take an ice cream scoop like I did, or just a regular big spoon, and measure these out into 12 portions. They do make 12 muffins. I use a silicone mat mold, and it's really helpful. You don't have to spray or do anything. It's really helpful, and the muffins always come out easily and really good. Highly suggest this from Amazon. Bake at 350, and here you go. Here's breakfast. So now we can get into meal prepping for the week. Just gonna measure out the equivalent of, I think it's 170 grams. Anyway, it's what the portion is on the back of this yogurt container. I had to dole it out into 2 of my containers, and it shows 4 here, but actually this does make 6 servings. Like I said, this is a 6-day meal prep. And there you go. Breakfast is ready to go. You just get out of the refrigerator, and you know your calories, macros, and all the good stuff. Enjoy. For the lunch part of this meal prep, we're going to be making a delicious chicken Mediterranean bowl. First, I've got some grilled chicken here. I used some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can find the full recipe for the grilled chicken in another video or on my blog, and I'll go ahead and list that video in the description of this video. So next we're going to add some feta cheese, about 1/4 cup. Some roasted tomatoes. You can use regular cherry tomatoes if you'd like, but I really like the flavor of roasted tomatoes. Again, I'll put a full recipe in the description of this video. Some tzatziki sauce, some hummus, and lastly, about 1/2 cup of cucumber for some extra crunch. There you go. Enjoy. There's our lunch. Okay, so on to dinner. We're going to be making a delicious honey garlic chicken. To start with, I'm adding 1 cup of sliced carrots, 1 cup of edamame, and 1/4 cup of red onion into my wok. These veggies are going to bring some great texture and flavor to the dish. Then we're going to be adding 2 eggs and stirring that all together. Then go ahead and add your day-old rice. By using day-old rice, it just firms up and cooks better. And then we're going to follow that up with some coconut aminos to save on the sodium, to give it some more flavor. And then finally, we're going to be adding a little bit of sesame oil. Again, I'll go ahead and put all the ingredients and breakdowns in the blog post listed in this video. Okay, so now that our rice is good, let's go ahead and make the sauce. We're going to be basically putting honey, coconut aminos, ketchup, and some garlic, 8 cloves of garlic, and we're going to stir that together. Then we can marinate the chicken with some spices, some garlic, onion powder, and some black pepper. And stir that up really well with the chicken so that all of it gets really nice and coated. Then in a wok on high heat, we're going to fry up our chicken. It's going to take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Just kind of check on it to make sure it's all done. Then go ahead and add your sauce. Now you want to put that on there and let that come to a boil. And then once the sauce is boiling, you're going to want to reduce it just a little bit so that it comes to a simmer, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add add a slurry of cornstarch and some water and stir that together. Again, let that kind of come together for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Then add your rice mixture into the wok along with the chicken and the sauce. Combine that all really well so you get a really nice mix. And you guys, let me tell you, this is so delicious and so high protein. Absolutely love this. Then again, for our meal prep, we're going to take 6 containers and equally divide the chicken fried rice into these containers. Get your lids on there. And here's your dinner for the evening. It's all in one bowl, easy to find. It's approximately 413 calories. Again, I'll link that in the description here, the video. And enjoy your dinner. And that's it. We've got a full week of healthy meals ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this meal prep and found some recipes that you would also like to try. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment button to follow me for more recipes. I make a meal prep every week if you're new here, and I am on a weight loss journey. I'm happy to say by doing this for the last 2 weeks, I have lost a total of 4.5 pounds. I went from 284 and now I'm down to 278.8. So I'm really happy about that. I'm hoping to get back into my exercise routine And once a month, I also do a weigh-in. So my meal preps are for my journey, and I love to share them with you because I have a lot of fun doing them. So stick around, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye for now.